everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. First, I want to say that I have missed you guys so much and I just really wanted to get a video out for you guys this week because I haven't been on in a while. We all know with everything that's going on right now, life is just crazy, schedules have been changed, and we are all trapped inside. So I really wanted to put out a video for you guys during this quarantine time where I show you how I pack my bag for a little walk around the neighborhood with my kids and my husband. And the perfect bag for doing short outings like this while we are all social distancing is the Jujube Hipster bag. Now this is one of Jujube's newest fanny pack style bags. And when I originally did my unboxing of it, which I will link it right here for you, I discovered just how cool this bag really is. And I love all the compartments, the zippers. The print on this bag is just adorable. This is the Tokidoki Jujube print Fantasy Paradise. And I just love it. It's one of my favorites. But as you guys saw in the very beginning of this video, this bag can be worn several different ways, and they are all very comfortable and all very functional, leaving you hands-free with almost all of them, which is great. I love that. So when all the theme parks open back up, this is a great bag for taking to Disney and places like that, just so you have your hands free and you can easily access your cash, your water, if you can fit it in here, and all your other necessities, because this bag really is like a minimalist's dream. Before I get really started, I'd love if you guys would give this video a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can see when all my new videos pop up. And if you guys want to shop Jujube, I would love if you would shop through me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you and you can shop through there anytime. So let's get started. So as you guys saw in the first part of the video, this bag can be worn several different ways, as I mentioned. So you have a very adjustable strap back here. And I actually, when I wear it for myself, I have it almost to as tight as it will go around my waist, if that helps. And then it goes pretty long, so you can wear this crossbody too, or on your back, which I love that. It's a very comfortable way to wear this bag. You also have this really, really great clip here that I think feels really high quality. So it looks like this. It looks very much like a seatbelt buckle. It's very strong and sturdy. I don't feel like that's ever going to fall off or break in any way because it's metal and it's really nice. The webbing on this strap feels like it's about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches. I have not measured it, but it is a nice width to go around your waist, over your shoulder, and things like that. On the very back of the bag here, you have this really nice breathable mesh. You have an embossed star on the back here. You have a top zippered tech pocket right here, if you guys can see that. Now let's go over the front of the bag here. This bag has so many little pockets and places to stick things that I actually, as a minimalist, I did not fill up every single pocket. But also some of the pockets are kind of oddly shaped, so only very small items can fit in them. And the ones I'm talking about are these side pockets here, which I don't have anything in here right now, but I felt like maybe a chapstick could fit in there and things like that. Or barrettes, you never know. You have one of those on each side and they're kind of wedge shaped, as you can see. They kind of go like this. So they're really cool pockets though, so if you want to stick a chapstick down in there, that's a great place to grab it quickly and easily. On the top here, you have a little zippered pocket, and then you also have a flat zippered pocket on the very front of the bag. On the top here, you have a double zipper opening with these super cute octopus pulls, and these are exclusive to this print and the Tokidoki line. So they're just really, really cute. And I think they add so much character to this bag. So you have a nice double zipper opening where it opens all the way on the top there. So let's go ahead and jump on into the inside of the bag and I'll show you how I have it packed up. So on the very front here, this is where I like to keep my Be Charged. So I have my Jujube Be Charged down here in Donatella's Sweet Shop. Being a bag that I am just taking with myself around the neighborhood for walks and things, I'm not worried about somebody grabbing my money or anything like that because it's on my front where I can see it at all times. So this is a great pocket to keep your Be Charged. This is a great bag to have a very small wallet in. And as a minimalist, this particular style of wallet works great for me. So that fits down in that pocket no problem. If you want to have another option, there is this pocket here, which opens on top like that. In here I actually have my sunglasses in a little fabric sleeve, but they are just a normal sized pair of sunglasses. So that fits in this pocket great. But as I was saying, if you don't want to put your money into an actual wallet, you do have these credit card slots. So you have 1, 2, 3 credit card slots, and then you also have some space down in the front there. So if you wanted to put some makeup down in there or anything else like tickets, if you're at a theme park or something like that, this is a great place for easy access for all those things. Now, as I mentioned, you have these pockets over here. They're not very big, but they're very cool. So as long as you don't fill up the bag too much on the inside, you'd have a little bit of space to put something in here. So if that gives you an idea of how deep it is, I can fit 4 of my fingers down in there, about almost all the way down. And that's 1 on each side, as I mentioned. So you have another one right over here. So let's go ahead and jump on to the main compartment. So once again, you have a double zipper opening. It's very easy to open up, and voila, that is what the inside looks like. So you have a nice zippered mesh pocket on the very top here. You have 2 elastic pockets down in the front. You have some space down in the very front here. Now I wanted to mention, because I did try to fit a swell bottle in here, a 9-ounce swell bottle, and technically it does fit if you don't put anything else down in the front here, but I need to carry certain things with me, so I was not able to do that. So I just have to carry my water around with me when we're walking around the neighborhood. So I did want to mention that if you had one of those really short disposable type of mini waters, then that would probably fit in here. So let's go through these pockets. On the very top here, you have that mesh zippered pocket. And here I have a pack of tissues. You guys, allergy season is here, and it is not joking around with me this year. It has been so terrible. I have been sneezing my head off. So definitely need to have that pack of tissues with me. In these pockets here, these are both the same size. So as you can see, I was able to fit a small set piece down in there, no problem. On this side, I have my hand sanitizer. You all know just how desperately we all need this hand sanitizer right now. And when we're out on walks and my kids randomly pick up a neighbor's basketball to give back to them, then I can just squirt some hand sanitizer in their hands and be on our way. Because guys, that did happen. I was like, oh no. So on this side here, I have a small set piece. And in here, I just have some things for my kids for just in case there's an accident. So it's like a mini med kit. I have some ibuprofen, some Band-Aids, gauze, nail clippers, and lip balm and things like that down in there. Just in case there's a boo-boo. When we're on our walk, we definitely need to have things on hand. So that's all I had in these 2 pockets here. I also have my keys in here for when we get into the house, when we get home. So I have my keys on the key leash in there. And that is just one of my favorite features of jujube bags. So I was super excited when I saw that they put the key leash in here. So it's springy. You guys can easily find whatever you want that you attach onto that. The last thing that I have to go through is this other set piece. This is a small set piece in Fantasy Paradise. And in here, I just have things for myself. So a little thing of lotion, lip balm, a mirror, folding hairbrush, and some lip gloss down in there. And that's all that was on the inside of the bag. I did forget to go back to my pocket back here. This is actually a very important pocket for me because that holds my phone. And I have an iPhone 8 Plus, so that fits great just straight up and down in there. It's a very roomy pocket, if you can see that. So if you have an even bigger phone or like a really small tablet, then it could probably fit into that pocket. So that is my review and packing video for the Jujube Hipster. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here. Let me know down in the comments below how you would use this bag. And also, I would love to know how y'all are doing because it is such a crazy time. I would love to know how you guys are doing. And we've been doing just great. So thank you everybody who's been keeping up with us over on Instagram. That is basically where I am keeping everybody updated on everything. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay safe and stay healthy.